Scandal, sexual abuse allegations in the Moravian church deepen. The former president and vice president arrested and charged for having sex with a minor years ago. Hello and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Caught on Camera. We'll show you the men who robbed a St. Andrew apartment.
Can you help the police find them? Later on, cops investigate the firebombing of a house out west.
On the defensive, the man who locked bank workers inside their building defends his actions.
Price hike. Farmers explain what's led to an uptick in watermelon prices.
And in the business day, lean forward. The Sagicor boss makes a pitch for the future.
There's also a ray of hope, sports, post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Given the latest developments, what are your views on the sex scandal involving former leaders of the Moravian Church?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.